In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-items in Monday.com 5 minutes. First, log into your Monday.com account so you're on your main workspace. If you're using single sign-on or a company account, just follow your usual secure login process. Once you're in, navigate to the board where your work lives and open the specific item you want to break down. In Monday.com, items are your top level tasks, and subitems are perfect for turning one big task into smaller, trackable pieces. With your item open on the board, hover your cursor over the item's name. This reveals extra options tied to that row. Now, right-click the item and choose Add Subitem. On touch devices, use your device's equivalent of a right-click, like a two-finger tap on a trackpad. You'll see a Subitem section expand beneath the parent item, ready for you to start adding details. Subitems have their own unique column structure, which means they can track different data than the parent. That's useful when the main item holds high-level info, like an owner and a deadline, while subitems carry execution details such as step-specific assignees, time estimates, or status updates. Think of it as a focused mini board nested inside your task. If you want your subitems to mirror the main board's structure, open one of the subitems, click the plus sign in the subitems column header, and select Copy Parent Columns. This quickly pulls in the same column types you're already using at the parent level, keeping your workflow consistent. You can always remove or reorder any columns you don't need after they're copied. To keep visibility at the top level, click the three dots on a sub-item column like status or numbers and choose Show Summary on Parent Item. This rolls up key data to the parent row so you can glance at the main item and understand overall progress or totals without opening the sub-items. For example, you might see how many sub-items are done or the sum of all time estimates right on the parent. Finally, you can automate the workflow to save time and reduce manual updates. Common examples include marking the parent item as done when all subitems are completed, assigning subitems automatically when they're created, or adjusting parent dates based on subitem timelines. Explore the Automation Center to pick rules that fit your team's process. That's it. Log in, open your item, add a subitem with a right-click, customize or copy columns, surface summaries on the parent, and streamline everything with automations. Try it on a real task today and watch your projects become clearer and more manageable.